Another part of giving space in a highway is that when you at an entry point, is that when the entry point is finishing up, what you want to do is advance, go forward quickly, a little more quicker, to reduce the time that you are holding back the lane here, and that allows the cars behind me to move a little quicker and also to open up space. So it's a double exercise. First, you want to slow down and give the space in front of you. Preferably always have this type of space in front of you if you're on the right lane. But after you are progressing through the entry point and getting to the end of that entry point, what you want to do is advance forward, reduce the space so that you increase the space behind you. That has a double effect, right? Because now you're opening up space behind you, not just in front of you. So it's a double thing that you have to do, a double process. Open up space in front of you, especially when you're at an entry point. As you end that entry point, as you advance towards the end of that entry point, you want to increase your velocity to increase the space behind you, and that then also has a greater effect, and in fact, of opening up the space behind you, allowing cars to move and releasing the traffic flow. Very important for you to do that. Okay, and also if you see that there's not a lot of traffic coming in, then speed up like I'm doing now. I'm advancing the speed a bit because there's really no traffic coming in, and so I wanna increase the space for the guys behind me so that traffic can move effectively. This is how you do it. It's a giving space and then taking space after near the end of the entry point to increase it behind you. That's important.